Hey guys, in this full 2025 guide, I'll show you how to create a donation page on your Wix website so visitors can easily support your cause. To build a donation page, start by adding a new page and naming it something clear like donate or support us. Next, open the Add Elements panel and choose Payments or Buttons. Wix offers a donate button, payment button, or full Wix payments form. All of them work for receiving donations. Customize the button with the amount options you want, or let users enter their own amount. Then connect it to your preferred payment method, Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. Add a short message explaining your mission and why donations help. If you want to boost credibility, include testimonials, impact numbers, or photos. Finally, make sure the donation page is visible in your menu or link from your homepage so supporters can find it instantly. And that's how to create a donation page on your Wix website in 2025. If this helped you build your site, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Wix tutorials.